A record is never born by chance. It's the result of a shared vision. An engineering journey that brings together two icons of innovation. It all starts in Milan, inside the advanced labs of Pirelli's R&D center. Here, a bespoke tire is developed, the P0 Trofeo RS. Not just a semi-slick, but a true extension of the vehicle it's made for. The Porsche Taycan Turbo GT with the Weissach Package is the electric car to beat. With over 1,000 horsepower and track-focused aerodynamics, it pushes every component to the edge. To meet that challenge, Pirelli engineered a tire that transforms power into precision and speed into absolute control. The Trofeo RS delivers with a high silica compound optimized for dry track grip and an enhanced internal structure, built to ensure lateral stiffness and razor-sharp steering feedback. The contact patch remains stable, even during extreme cornering loads. But theory becomes real on the tarmac. From the legendary Nürburgring Nordschleife, where the Taycan Turbo GT set the fastest lap for an all-electric four-door, to Laguna Seca, where every turn reveals a story of balance and intent. Porsche and Pirelli rewrote the rules. This isn't just about going fast. It's about doing it with consistency, with confidence, and with uncompromising engineering. This is not evolution. This is a leap forward for electric performance. And this is just the first chapter.